Moving on now, on the sidelines of the UNGA, members of the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty met to discuss the non-proliferation of weapons of mass destruction. India's Foreign Secretary has reiterated India's pledge towards a denuclearized world. Shringla highlighted India's commitment towards nuclear disarmament and its stance on the same. Shringla spoke about how New Delhi had called for a ban on nuclear testing in 1954 and had signed the Global Treaty for Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons.
India is committed to the goal of a nuclear weapons-free world and the complete elimination of nuclear weapons, consistent with the highest priority accorded to nuclear disarmament by the final document of the first special session of the UN General Assembly on disarmament. India has actively supported and contributed to the strengthening of the global nuclear security architecture. India participated in the Nuclear Security Summit process and has regularly participated in the International Conference on Nuclear Security organized by the IAEA.
Now, India has always worked towards the goal of a nuclear-free world. Shringla stressed on the threats looming large in the global world order, speaking on the rampant rise of global terror. Shringla underscored the efforts taken by New Delhi to bar terrorists from accessing weapons of mass destruction.
India is a key partner in the global non-proliferation efforts. One of the important steps undertaken by us in this context is the piloting of an annual UN General Assembly resolution on measures to prevent terrorists from acquiring weapons of mass destruction. There is a need for the international community to pay closer attention to the illicit proliferation of networks of nuclear weapons, their delivery systems, components, and relevant technologies.
Now, despite being a nuclear power itself, India has always led the world, setting examples of self-restraint regarding nuclear weapons. India's ambitious nuclear testing with a smile again was last tested. The testing was conducted by the country in 2001. And despite being a nuclear power itself, India has always led the world testing. And here's our correspondent, Siddhant Sibal. He gives us an analysis of the statement by Foreign Secretary. Listen in.
We on USA Direct from New York with Siddhant Sibal.
The Indian Foreign Secretary Harsh Shringla addressed the United Nations Security Council meet on weapons of mass destruction. He said that the aspiration is that it should be a world free of nuclear weapons. He, of course, without taking names of any countries, hitting out at Pakistan, said that when it comes to illicit proliferation, the world community needs to pay attention. He also talked about how India is part of groups like the Wassenaar, the Australia group, the MTCR, and of course harmonizing its controls when it comes to the nuclear suppliers group. But when it comes to Pakistan, without taking names, hitting out, we know the linkages between Pakistan and the fact that AQ Khan link to Pakistan's proliferation is a track record which the world knows. He also talked about CTBT, saying that it is a very discriminatory treaty, and India did not join it because it could not fulfill certain concerns of New Delhi. India is a non-permanent member of the United Nations Security Council for a period of 2 years. India was the president in the month of August, in which we saw a lot of initiatives. In the month of December 2022, India will again be the president. We can expect a lot of action then, but in the past and in the future as well, we will see more engagements. The Indian Prime Minister, the Foreign Minister, the MOS, Meenakshi Lekhi, the Foreign Secretary Harsh Shringla, and of course the Indian envoy to the United Nations, Tirumurthy, have been regularly speaking at the high table. With video journalist Neeraj Patel, Siddhant Sibal for WION at the United Nations in New York.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.